Hey everyone, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the problem where you can't open JPG or JPEG files on Windows 11 or Windows 10. First, right-click the JPG or JPEG file. Hover over Open With, then click Choose Another app. Select Photos, check Always Use this app, and click OK. If it still doesn't open, press Start, search for apps, and open Apps and Features. Search for Photos, click the three dots. Then choose Advanced Options. Then scroll down and click Terminate, then click Repair. If repairing doesn't work, you can also try Reset. Now go back to your JPG or JPEG file and try opening it again. In most cases, it should open normally. And that's it. Simple fixes for JPG and JPEG files not opening in Windows. If this helped, hit like, subscribe, and check out my other quick Windows fixes. Thanks for watching.